If you are looking for a land surveyor in Hyderabad, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With our expertise and experience in the field, we offer comprehensive land surveying services to clients in and around Hyderabad. Our team of skilled professionals is equipped with the latest technology and tools to accurately measure and map the land, ensuring precise results. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we understand the importance of land surveys in various industries such as construction, real estate, and infrastructure development. Our land surveyors are well versed in using advanced equipment like GPS, total stations, and laser scanners to collect data and provide accurate measurements. We also utilize sophisticated software to process the collected data and generate detailed reports and drawings. As a leading land surveying company in Hyderabad, we are committed to delivering high-quality services to our clients. Our team of experienced surveyors is trained to handle projects of all sizes and complexities, ensuring timely completion and accurate results. Whether you require boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking services, we have the expertise to meet your needs. When you choose Scon Design India Private Ltd as your land surveyor in Hyderabad, you can expect professionalism, reliability, and attention to detail. Our surveyors follow industry best practices and adhere to strict quality standards to ensure the highest level of accuracy in our work. We understand that each project is unique, and we tailor our services to meet the specific requirements of our clients. In conclusion, if you are in need of a land surveyor in Hyderabad, Scon Design India Private Ltd is your trusted partner. With our expertise, advanced technology, and commitment to excellence, we provide accurate and reliable land surveying services to clients across industries. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements and let us assist you in achieving your goals. If you are looking for a professional land surveyor in Hyderabad, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience in the industry, they are the go-to company for all your land surveying needs in Hyderabad. Whether you need a survey for a residential or commercial property, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the knowledge and skills to provide accurate and reliable results. As a leading land surveying company in Hyderabad, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services to cater to different client requirements. Their team of highly trained and experienced surveyors uses state-of-the-art technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and detailed mapping. Whether it is determining property boundaries, conducting topographic surveys, or creating as-built drawings, they can handle all aspects of land surveying with utmost professionalism and efficiency. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd as your land surveyor in Hyderabad is their commitment to delivering high-quality services within the agreed timelines. They understand the importance of time in the real estate industry and strive to complete projects on schedule without compromising on accuracy or quality. Their efficient workflow and streamlined processes enable them to meet deadlines without any delays. Scon Design India Private